Namaste students. Today the topic of this video is group discussion. Group discussion is the word you might have heard, you might be knowing about it, but today the video talks about what is group discussion, purpose of group discussion, and how to prepare for group discussion before the discussion, and how to perform in a group discussion. The next video I will post next time. So first of all, what is group discussion? Group discussion, to talk to in a very simple language, it is the discussion among 7 to 8 people. They are coming together and they are given a topic and they discuss about the topic. It is very simple definition. But actual group discussion is 6 to 7 or maybe 8 people. They are made to sit together in order to assess their team spirit, their leadership qualities, their communication skills, their body language, their mental aptitude, their presence of mind, and how smartly they can put across their point, and their knowledge. All these things are tested in that particular discussion. Actually, it should not be called as a group discussion, it should be called as a team discussion. Because when the people are made to sit together, they are not a simple group, they are a team, because they have only one target. So, group discussion is discussion or formal discussion. Now, the second step is, what is the purpose of this group discussion? Number one, to test your interpersonal skills as a candidate, maybe for any job or maybe for any course like MBA or MS, or whenever you want to go abroad, you have to sail through group discussion round. After your technical test or maybe aptitude test, the second round would be group discussion. So the purpose of group discussion is, number one, to test your interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills means how do you interact with the people. And when the people are unknown to you, when you are ignorant about, they are not your friends. The team is varied team. Maybe the people belong to different states. Maybe the people belong to different region. Maybe they are from abroad. And when such people come together, how do you get along? How do you accept their opinions? And how do you put across your point? These interpersonal skills are tested. Because whenever any company shortlists any candidate, they need someone who is consumer oriented person. They need some smart people. If you want to get shortlisted for MBA or MS, they need that you should have certain caliber, and in order to test that caliber, the purpose of group discussion is to test that caliber, your interpersonal skills. How do you get along with the people? The next one is group discussion. As I said initially, it's a round to shortlist candidate for the further round. The first round would be your technical test, knowledge of your branch. The second round would be group discussion. Group discussion means you are not shortlisted or selected. In group discussion, you are shortlisted for the next interview. So remember, if you are technically very sound, when you appear for any job interview or in the rounds of the process or the steps, the second step is group discussion. Remember, doesn't matter you are technically very good, you have sound knowledge or updated knowledge of your field, but if you are struggling to speak in group discussion, you may be fired before you are hired. You may go back home in the second round itself. Actually, it's a loss for that company also, because one good talented candidate they could not get. So make sure that you have good communication skill. It is one of the elimination rounds, you can say, for the next round, that is job interview, which is the final one. The next one is to test your team spirit. Now, what is this team spirit? Team spirit has so many things. When the people from a different background, they come together, they sit together, and among such people, you have to prove your point, you have to stand in the discussion, you have to show your existence in the discussion. Your team spirit is tested. Now, what is this team spirit? When you talk something and someone talks which is contradictory to your opinion, at that time, how do you respond to that particular opinion? That is tested over there. If the opinion which someone else has put forward, if it is really valuable, if it is really intellectual, how do you react? Because it is the contradictory to your opinion. That is test. If you accept it very gracefully, being a very good sport person, you are having that team spirit. They test it. They test whether you are simply talking and talking and talking and not allowing others to speak. Where they will test whether you are really cooperative to others also. They will test if you are really listening or not. So all these things come under the heading team spirit. They are testing how do you work in a team, because in any organization a team functions, and if the team functions very smoothly, having no contradictions, they achieve the success. So the next purpose is to test your communication skill. As I said initially, without communication skill you cannot put across your point, you cannot understand others' point of view, and you cannot show the respect to others also. So in order to show, or in order to talk whatever you feel or whatever you know about the topic that has been given to you, you should know how to communicate, how to put it across. Sometimes it may happen that the people may not give you a chance to speak. So how to intervene? You need to know how to communicate in that particular situation. So your communication skill is also tested. The next one is, the purpose of this group discussion is to test your presence of mind. See, sometimes it may happen that whatever you said, your opinion, the people may not agree with it. And you may also realize that yes, whatever I said previously, that was wrong, or I was simply getting deviated from the topic. So how do you grab that particular moment, that presence of mind? That is also tested. It is one of the purposes of group discussion. Because in any organization when you work, your presence of mind is tested, because every time for any calamity, any problem, you are not prepared physically or mentally. At 11th hour you have to decide what to do and what not to do, and it is your presence of mind that will enable you to take the decisions. So your presence of mind is also tested in group discussion. The next one is your overall suitability of that particular post is found, or it is assessed. How? If the job is related to public contact, if the job is related to all elite people who are abroad, if the job is related to all farmers or all illiterate people, so according to the responsibility of the position, they will test your suitability in group discussion. They may not ask you any question, but the way you talk, that will tell them whether you have good patience or not, whether you are ready to listen to others' opinion or not, whether you are respecting others' opinion or not, whether you are allowing everyone to talk in between or not, whether you are intervening in between very positively or you are simply shouting at them. So all these things are tested, and overall whether you are suitable for the position or the post or not, that will be decided, or you may be eliminated in that same round. Now the main purpose, before the group discussion, what preparations you need to do, I will talk in next video.